What's going on, guys? Today is supposed to be day trading review number 5, and the reason why I missed out yesterday was because I just had a big loss. On my first a couple of trades, I had small losses. Maybe I was down $30, and then on my third trade, I went in too heavy and it dropped 50 cents on me or something like that, and I ended up losing $250, which is still manageable. But after that loss, I just started spiraling down. I kept trading even though I knew I shouldn't have. Anyways, today I traded one stock, which is JAN. It had some good news about some kind of patent, about some kind of drug to do with a potential peripheral artery disease treatment, and the news seemed relatively good, and so that was the main stock that I had on watch. So for my first trade, I was actually looking for the break of pre-market high and the break of 375. I saw it break. I tried to get on the micro pullback at 373, but then because I saw it pop straight back down after the break, that wasn't really something I liked, and because I saw even more red after I got in, I decided to get out on the bid for a 1 cent loss, which is about $10, because I was in for 1,000 shares. Lucky for me, I made the right decision, because it actually ends up pulling back below the 9 EMA, but it's still holding the 360 support. So that might be a dip opportunity I might be looking for. So at the open, I took a dip right at 353, when my ideal fill would have been 352 or 351, and this was a good dip because it was the $half support, the VWAP support, as well as a double bottom formation. And here I'm looking for sort of a red to green or reclaim of the candles. One of the things that worried me whilst I was trading this was that it didn't pop back as fast as I wanted it to, and it was kind of just hovering this area. Usually when stocks are strong, the dips get bought right away, but in this case it didn't. So something I felt a little bit uncomfortable with that, which is why I took half of the table at 58, 5 cents, just to reduce my risk and reduce my size. In hindsight, I definitely should have held longer, even if it was 250 shares, because it actually ends up hitting the 395s, I think, and that would have been a great trade. But the thing is, at the 365s, it felt a little bit heavy, so I didn't actually think it was going to break through that level. So around 6-7 minutes after the open, I'm looking for the break of the previous high, and then into the fours, hopefully. So then I enter at 394 for 1,000 shares. Immediately put out an order to reduce size at 399 for a 5 cent winner, and now I'm trying to see if it can break for, but then it kind of pulls back to to my entry point, so I go break even on the rest. $402, and I got in with a small size of 300 shares. Ends up popping up to 408, I think, 409, 4010, and then pulls back immediately. So I decide to just take a base hit on that.